Hey guys, welcome in. It's a MonkieMar. Before we get into this video, please make sure you click the like, the subscribe, and the bell for notifications. Hey guys, welcome in. This is going to be a very short video. Last night during the live, we found out that they found a body in Arizona off Interstate 10 and Baseline Road in Phoenix, and it is a man. It is not a Michelle, thank God. But let's just get into this quick article. Man dead near the Interstate 10 and Baseline Road ramp in Phoenix. This was published 4:25 p.m. Mountain Time on July 20th, 2022. It is now July 21st, 2022 at 2:48 p.m. I have looked. I have not found out the name of the man or how he ended up on the side of the highway. But with that, guys, let's get into this quick little article. It honestly is sad, just like a man thrown out on the side of the road like he is a piece of garbage. Absolutely horrible. Police are investigating after a body was found in Phoenix on Wednesday near the Interstate 10 and Baseline Road ramp in Phoenix. Bart Graves, a spokesperson with the Arizona Department of Public Safety, said the body was found around 10:58 a.m. According to Graves, a Phoenix fire crews reported finding the body of a man on the shoulder of the westbound I-10. He said a tip was phoned into Phoenix Fire with a possible location of the body. The man's identity was not released. The cause of death was being investigated, Graves said. Sad that there is a man thrown out on the side of the road like a piece of trash. I do pray that they find out who he is and what happened to him. And I am thankful that it is not Michelle Bernstein Schultz, and I do pray that she is okay. It's going on a month that she has been missing, and it's kind of a little longer than I expected that somebody with her personality type would have come back around. So we will have to hang on. I got a phone call. So as I was saying, we will have to wait and see if we hear any new updates on Michelle, which there really is not anything but the flyers, but I have not checked this sister's Twitter yet today. So this is the area where this man was found. So this is Baseline Road, and this is actually getting on the 10 East. Oh shit, hang on, we're in the tunnel. Oh god. Alright, let's see where we're going. Oh god, bright light, guys, hang on. Okay, here we go. So getting on the 10 West, Baseline Road. Yep, and there's the 10 West. So where exactly they found this poor man, I do not know. But this is getting onto the 10 West. And there's a shoulder of where they explain they find this body just laying out there in the middle of the road. Not cool. 10 West, Baseline Road, a weed store. Who would have thunk, right? But this is it, guys. This is where he was found. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video. And like I said earlier, if I find out who this man is, I will do an update on the community post. But that is it for this video. And I do pray that, Michelle, you are listening. You are found soon. You make a phone call. And I do hope that you are not in any harm's way. Alright, guys, have a great day. Stay vigilant. Keep your babies safe. I am out.